case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 1983 case of Jones v. Barnes, the United States Supreme Court tackled the question of whether an appointed counsel for an appeal must argue every non-frivolous issue suggested by the client. The case began when David Barnes was convicted of robbery and assault following an attack in which Richard Butts was robbed at knife point. Barnes appealed his conviction, and Michael Melinger was assigned to represent him. During the appeal, Barnes sent Melinger a letter listing several claims that he believed should be raised. However, Melinger rejected most of the suggested claims and filed his own brief focusing on 3 of the 7 points raised in Barnes's letter. In response, Barnes filed 2 additional pro se briefs, raising the issues Melinger had identified and accusing him of being ineffective. The Court of Appeals established a new standard, requiring appointed counsel to argue all additional colorable points requested by the appellant to the full extent of their professional ability. This decision was appealed to the Supreme Court, which ultimately reversed the lower court's ruling. The Supreme Court found that the Constitution did not support a per se rule requiring appointed counsel to raise every colorable claim suggested by a client. Instead, the court emphasized that appointed counsel must provide effective assistance, but the accused held ultimate authority for fundamental decisions. In this case, the court determined that Melinger had fulfilled his duty to support Barnes's appeal to the best of his ability, and there was no constitutional requirement for the new standard imposed by the Court of Appeals.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.